Hi, today we're going to talk about diffusers, how to take care of them and what they do for you. So I have the two diffusers here. This one is the one that comes with the US, or actually there's two choices. You can get this one. You can also get this one. So you get the two choices between the diffusers. Both of them are great. Both of them will provide you with hours of the diffuser. But I want to talk to you about how to take care of it today. So when you open your diffuser, and I'm going to talk about this one because this one is the most popular one, you will see inside that silver circle right there. That is the plate, and it has to be taken care of. Sometimes the essential oil, depending on how thick the essential oil is, it can get stuck here and it can get blocked here. So what I do and what I recommend, and Young Living recommends as well, is to take a swab of with alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, just a few drops of it, and just clean it gently there. That's all you need to do. Sometimes the oil will accumulate out here, and you will see like this brownish accumulation here. You can clean that up with water. You can put a little bit of vinegar not in here, but in the cloth that you're using, and just swipe it out, and it will come out. It's no big deal. So make sure you clean your diffuser maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, just depending on how often you use it. Like if you use it every day, I will clean it once a day, once a week. But if you use it like every other day or, two times during the week, I will, clean it then maybe every other week or so. So depending on how often you use it. The dewdrop, it's very similar. And the dewdrop is also very similar. This one has, you see that red mark? That means that you can fill it up to that mark of water. And this one is a lot older. This was my first diffuser in 2018, so it's been it's been around. But same thing, clean the plate with alcohol, rub alcohol. Don't pour the alcohol directly here. Just put it in a swab or in a cotton ball and just gently clean it out. Sometimes lemon essential oil might help with the grime if it's like really in there. You can clean it up with that. Um, and it works. It will You will see the results on this. These things don't overheat. You actually put cold water in here, so there's no overheating on this any of the diffusers. They're very high quality. Young Living gives you this is not for this. Young Living gives you a 1 year guarantee on your diffusers. So you have up to 1 year. If anything happens to it, they will replace it uh, entirely for free for up to 1 year. So they're very good quality. That's why they can do that, because they're so high quality that they're good. Um, Another thing about oils, just I wanted to go over some safety. Tomorrow we're going to start talking about the oils themselves of each one, but I wanted to go over some safety and some just disclaimers. First of all, I'm not a doctor. I am not a nurse. I will not attempt to prescribe or um, cure or tell you that the oils will cure you or anything like that. I have no authority over that, but I will tell you what I will tell you is that these oils are supplements, that the consistency of them, the consistency use of them will improve your health like it has improved mine. I will speak of my own experiences with them. um, I also wanted to say real quick that the safety of the oils, you are not to put them in your eyes or in your ears, or like, inside the ear. I put oils like here and here, but I don't put them inside my ear. Don't put them inside your eyes. Don't do that. It's really awful. You could dilute your oils as well. especially the hot ones, with a carrier oil, which is could be coconut oil or almond oil or avocado oil, to put them in your skin. Especially if you have very sensitive skin, I would dilute it definitely so you don't deal with anything, any rash or anything. So far in my family, the one with very delicate skin is Adrian. He gets patches of dry skin, and it's very difficult to um, put on anything on him because he gets really bad rashes. So essential oils have been a safer because he tolerates them well. He Most of the oils he can wear or he can use by themselves, and it's been great. So that's been our experience. Um, Tune in tomorrow. We're going to talk about our first oil, which will be lavender. Lavender is the most popular oil. And so I'm going to be talking about that, bringing some testimonies as well of people using lavender oil. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.